The reason training is important for our painters to be all on the same page is there's multiple ways to paint a house or to paint a room and it to turn out to be a similar product. But if we're all doing different things, the project doesn't go smoothly and it probably doesn't look good. And so part of our training is we've got a system that's worked for 59 years come this June, and our system works well for the customer, for efficiency. And so when you have both of those things, we want to repeat that. And so if everybody's on the same page, running that same process, we'll be more efficient and we'll come out with a better product for our customer. And that's the goal. It's not the only way to paint, and it's not the only thing, it's the end-all be-all in painting. It is what works best for us over our history. And so if we're all on the same page, it's hard to beat everybody with one mission.